Welcome to the Beginner's Bar, Scott here. Alright, so today we're going to create a cocktail that is from both Jerry Thomas from the 1862 book, The Bon Vivant's Guide to Mixing Cocktails, as well as Jeffrey Morgenthaler's bar book. This is a slightly incorrect sounding name, but it's called a Japanese cocktail. This is essentially a served up old-fashioned variant. So let's get into the cocktail. We are going to need 1/2 ounce of orgeat. Orgeat is a almond liqueur. We're also going to need 2 dashes Angostura bitters, and then 2 ounces of cognac. I'm going to be using Pierre Ferrand 1840, which is arguably the best cognac to have, especially for classic cocktails. And this seems like a classic to me. And grab your ice. I have 5 cubes of ice here. Marry the cocktail. Go to pop. Go shake. There we go. Grab your Hawthorne strainer. Strain it into a chilled Nicanora or a coupe. I've had this in the freezer for a few minutes. Pull a rip. Lemon. That works. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is a Japanese cocktail. Cheers. Ooh. The bitters, the orgeat, and the cognac, they marry well. They marry together so well. The lemon helps with the nose and really get you going for the cognac, but the orgeat really just helps temper and smooth it out. It's a very round, balanced cocktail. I do like this. Is impressive. First time having it too. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe, comment what cocktail do you want me to do next. You can find me on Twitter at Beginner Bar. You can find me on Instagram at Beginners Bar. You can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chopless_inc. You can find me on my personal YouTube page, youtube.com/Scott W. Smith. On that note, thank you for watching. I will be back next time with another cocktail. This has been the Beginner's Bar.